So Freddy, tell us what's the major difference between Tollywood and Bollywood?
Major difference between Tollywood and Bollywood is definitely a language, right? Besides being Telugu and Hindi, but हाँ ये होता है कि थोड़ा बहुत सा एक्शन जो है वो साउथ फिल्म्स में थोड़ा लाउड होता है. Bollywood doesn't have those loud actions and less of flying and people flying around. Yeah.
Working experience with our mass Maharaj Ravi Teja.
Oh, it has been amazing. We've shared a lot of jokes off the sets, and we've ran quite a lot in the film. I have to say, there's one chase sequence where we ran about 3 to 4 kilometers in the whole day, constantly at the speed of 15 to 20 kilometers per hour, because it was a scene where we had to run very fast, and I think by the end of the day, I offered him that I can give him a massage at his feet, And we just saw a rickshaw. Actually, we saw a rickshaw we were shooting that scene in Pondicherry, and we saw a rickshaw. And I said, sir, let's just sit in a rickshaw, take a long ride. That way, our feet will get some rest, and we can have a break on the set for about 15-20 minutes. So we went for a rickshaw ride. But overall, it has been great experience with Ravi Teja. He is somebody who is very humble, very loving, very caring, and most importantly, is fit. The guy is very fit.
Pick one movie, Holiday or Touch Jesi Chudu.
Difficult. Both of them are my first film, one in Hindi and one in Telugu. But I would pick Holiday because it was my overall first film, and I had a great experience working on Holiday.
Who gave the best to their role as Sleeper Cell head, you in Holiday or Vidyut in Tupakki, Tamil?
Oh, that's a tough competition. I'll tell you what. So I can't answer this question because I have not watched Tupakki, and I'll tell you the reason why I haven't watched Tupakki. Because so when we were shooting the film, that guy, my director asked me if I would want to watch Tupakki, but I said I will not watch Tupakki because if I watch Tupakki, I will start to replicate the scenes and the way it has been done. So I haven't watched Tupakki. I cannot say. I'm sure Vidyut is a friend. He's a great friend and a great actor, and I cannot compare myself with him.
Which heroine turns you on, Freddy?
It's very sad and very unfortunate of me that I have never had any scenes with any heroine, so I cannot say who actually can turn me on and turn me off also, because all I do in the film is either to beat the hero, kill somebody, or get beaten by the hero. So I cannot absolutely answer this question.
With which hero you love to work more and more?
Honestly, I would love to work with all the heroes. I'm still very young and fresh in the film industry, and I haven't worked with a lot of heroes and actors, but my all-time hero, my favorite hero is Amitabh Bachchan ji, and I would love to work him as long as I can.
With which hero you never want to work?
Oh, that's a tough question. I would I've never thought of that question actually. Why is the reason why I would never want to work? I'm still very fresh. I've had great experience with all the heroes, and I can't think no hero such as anyone that I would not want to work with.
So this is a tricky one. World's topmost costliest sports car Ferrari 488 Spider or a date with Sunny Leone?
I think this is the easiest question. You cannot ask an automotive freak guy this question. I'm an automobile lover, and I would any day pick a Ferrari.
Okay. Pick one. Shah Rukh, Salman or Amir, and why?
Why only one? Why can't I pick 3 of them? That's exactly my question to you. Are you can't select. It's like a difficult question between. It's like select one car, Rolls-Royce or Bentley. You can never do that. I mean, they are all great actors, and I would love to work with all of them.
If it's not a Ravi Teja film, with which hero you wanted to act in Telugu and why?
Oh, I will tell you. I love Mahesh Babu. I have had great chance with him to work on the Thumbs Up commercial, which is on air recently. So I think Mahesh Babu is a very cool guy. Also, I've been his fan. I've watched his film, and I've had a great experience with him. So I think it would be Mahesh Babu.
So if Freddy is not an actor, what he would become by now?
Any day a bike mechanic. Yeah. I love motorcycle. I call myself bisexual. Don't get me wrong. It's not bisexual. It's bike sexual. I can, whatever with motorcycles.
What's your take on Karni Sena and Padmavat issue? Whom do you support?
Well, I'm from the film industry, and I hold high regards for the director Sanjay Leela Bhansali, for Deepika Padukone, Ranveer Singh, and Shahid Kapoor, and to all the technicians and the lightsmen and everybody who has worked on the film. I would any day support Padmavati on this.
You have to take up a challenge to stay in Antarctica or Shimla or whatever coolest areas instead of asking for sweaters and heater. What will be that one thing you would want?
Now that's a tricky question. At this point, I would ask you for Sunny Leone to keep me warm. Yeah.
What is that one thing about you that no one knows? In fact, you haven't shared till now, and you should share it now.
Difficult, but I don't know if you guys will believe this or not, but I cry a lot when I watch films. I cry even when I'm watching my own film. So it's that type of I'm that type of a softie, you can say. I play a very tough and bad guy on the screen, but I guess I'm a very softie in real life.
If
Softie
you were
is softie. Softie is the right tag? No, I'm a soft guy, I would say. Yeah.
If you were a female with whom you wanted to date, marry and get divorced?
Oh, I would actually want to date Ranbir Kapoor. I really like him. I would want to marry. Actually, I would want to date Ranveer Singh because I think he's a crazy guy. He's got amazing energy and a lot of fun. I would marry Ranbir Kapoor because he's my man crush. And who did you say? Who would I want to divorce? I would divorce with Shahid because he's already married and whatever.
If you get a chance to meet Scarlett Johansson, Angelina Jolie, Jennifer Lawrence, what will be the first thing you would want to do?
Wow. The first thing I would want to do is basically check my schedule if I have time to meet them.
If you become a director, who will be the hero and the heroine in your movie and why? And you'll make the movie in Hindi or Telugu?
Oh wow, that's an interesting question. If I was the director, I would love to direct Shahid Kapoor, and I would love to direct as an actress. I would love to direct Alia Bhatt. I think both of them are like very, very, very great actors, and there's somebody who I think can gel up well, and I can make a good film. Of course, it's got to be Hindi because that's the language that I understand the most.
What would Freddy Daruwala do when he is alone?
Oh, when I'm alone, I do a lot of things. I surf Instagram, I surf Twitter, Facebook page. I play drums. I clean up my motorcycles, and I do a lot of things. I play sports, a lot of sports, and yeah.
If you wanted to pick a best director you've already worked with, who will it be and why?
It has to be A.R. Murugadoss, sir, because I hold high respect, and it was my first film, of course, Holiday, which he directed, but at the same time, while I was working on the film, I learned a lot of aspects of filmmaking through him. Even after all these years, I watch his films, and there is just a different impression that he leaves behind every film that he makes. Thank you guys, thank you so much for asking me interesting questions apart from the boring ones that I always answer. It's been a great interaction with you guys. If you want to know more about myself, my films, my work, my days, my day in and day out, my workouts or anything, keep following me on Instagram, that is Freddy FREDDY_Daruwala DAREWALA, on Twitter at Freddy Daruwala, and on Facebook page Freddy Daruwala. Stay tuned.